Boom shakalaka! Hey everybody, it's your boy Double D Dubs coming at you from Yazoo City, Mississippi, where there's a little couple of things of interest here to show you. There is a industry over here, a little company. I don't know what they make, but they have a rail yard, and I thought I'd show it to everybody. And then just down the street, there's a little Canadian National office, and it has a train down there that's sitting there on the rails with 2 CN locomotives in the front and 2 CN locomotives in the rear with a bunch of cars in the middle, mixed freight it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and drive over this crossing and over onto US Highway 49, head south, and then we'll get the Canadian National in this video, and we'll go from there. So make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and set post notifications, and leave a comment on this video of what you think, and I'll try to respond to as many comments as I can. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to go over this crossing. You see it's a double. Here's the rest of the rail yard. It's pretty long for Mississippi. There's a couple of buildings back behind there, for loading and unloading, it looks like. There's a crossing coming up ahead, and then you can start to see the engine up here. I'll drive as slow as I can when we go by the train. Illinois Central, look at that. Canadian National. Some hoppers, some oil cars, oil tankers. Oh, I'm in the wrong lane. Looks like maybe some box cars. All right, now we're going to lose the train here under this bridge. All right, and here it is. Oh, the other 2 locomotives moved. Hold on a second. I'll be able to get them. They were connected when I drove by. You can see the light down there maybe. I think they're doing a crew change. Got 2 Canadian Nationals all by themselves. 9572, 3137. I'm gonna go ahead and pull over here. This is their little office. So yeah, so that's Yazoo, Mississippi, and we've got 3 Canadian Nationals, 1 Illinois Central, a rail yard. There's a lot here in Yazoo, Mississippi. All right, everybody. Hope you like this video. Boom shakalaka.